Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Well, today's video is my June 2023 Order Club card kit. So for those who placed orders with me in the month of June, this is the card kit you will be receiving. I am also sort of pretending that this is my Christmas in July because this was a Christmas stamp set. This was called Holiday Express, and I had to have this because my boys loved trains, still do, but they had the Brios and the Thomas and all of that, and we still have it all stored away, and I just love that little train. So when I am starting out on a project like this, a lot of times I go to one of Close to My Heart's sketchbooks. This one is Make It From Your Heart Volume 4. It is sold out. Sneak peek, I do believe perhaps there was a rumor that in the up and coming new catalog there will be a new sketchbook, and that will be really exciting. So I went to pattern number 20 in here, and I thought, yeah, this looks doable. I think I can do that. Super simple. It gives you the dimensions. Now I adjusted my dimensions because I am making a 5x7 card kit. So I just made things a little different. Your kit will include an envelope, a card base. This piece of pattern paper is 2x7. Then there's a piece that is a 1/2 inch by 7. This one is 3/4 of an inch by 7, and then this is also 3/4 of an inch, and it's just whacked off. The Here Comes came from this here. I saw Here Comes, and I thought, ooh, baby, I need a baby card. So I found the Here Comes there. Now, this is where you do your stash diving. I have this set of alphabet stamps that Close to My Heart carried a long time ago, and there's a baby on there, B for baby. So that's where the baby came from. Then I also found this baby set. This was called Cute Koalas, and I just think they're adorable. So I'm using the congratulations and then on your new arrival. So this is one of those opportunities where you can pull in from all over the place. To get started, I'm going to line this up because I do believe this is about a 1/2 inch up from the bottom. You can use whatever adhesive you like. I'm using my ATG gun. You can use liquid, you can use a dot roller. So I've got this, hopefully you can see this. I've just got it on the 1 inch line. And I'm going to go up to the 1/2 inch mark here and get the paper going. And you can stretch it across, and that lines it up decently. Here's the little piece of yellow. This is the 1/2 inch by 7. I just thought that broke up the color. And then this is 2 inches. In the sketch, this was only 1.5 inches, but I thought that the card needed it to be a little bulkier because it's 7 by 5. Now we have the little trains. These I colored, and I'll show you what I used. I used blue turquoise, ice gray, and gold brown blends. These are from Spectrum Noir. Yes, tri-blends from Spectrum Noir. And then I used a white gel pen to give a little bit of some accenting. I can hold this up closer so you can see. You can see some little white lines. I also did put a little shimmer brush on the windows. I did this kind of coloring at an angle I saw it somewhere. I think Janice Gilhooly did a video showing how to color things and using this angle technique. If I remember, when I'm doing the description of the video, I will try to put a link to her video. She's a consultant from Australia. Does really neat things. Definitely worth following on her YouTube channel. But it's a way to color things without having to be super fabulous at coloring, which is my jam. I'm not super fabulous at coloring. And I think it turned out cute. So you're just gonna put those pieces on. They will come in your kit. They will be colored. Then here comes baby. I just butt it over to the side and put it over the two bottom colors. Of course, that's all optional. You can do whatever you want. I am also going to do, I think, I'm going to do a line. I did something different on another version of this where I did some stamping, but I think I'm just going to do a line here. And this is personal preference. This is just an easy way to give a little bit of definition. And I am going to go around the sentiment. Again, this is left empty for you to decide whether you like that or not. If you don't do it. Just like that. I just used a black pen. On the inside, I will show you my faux pas. As I was making my prototype card, which I have right here, I managed to lay this base right onto my black stamp pad. Unbelievable. And it made a big smudgy mess down here. So I just found a couple of pieces of scrap paper from the same paper pack and covered it up. And that's what we do. We somehow adjust. So we'll do congratulations. And I'm just gonna, hopefully get that right. Oh, there we go. And then on your new arrival. I think that's cute. Just like that. I will show you that on this here where I put adorable, I stamped that. That is this long sentiment, and I masked off using the masking tape. Inked it up with the mask on there, pulled the mask off, and then did my stamping on here. So you can kind of pick and choose words. I could also have easily cut the stamp, and sometimes I'm okay cutting the stamp, sometimes I don't want to. It just depends on my mood. This is a little more delicate, and I didn't want to cut that one up. But this is it. This is your card kit for Order Club 2023 in June. Thank you so much for your orders. I really appreciate your business. I hope you enjoy this cute little baby card. Have a blessed crafty day. I'll see you next time.